Anything that leads to you is good direction. My compass is pointing to you. I'm seeking a deeper connection. Anything that leads to you is good direction. My compass is pointing to you. I'll follow you wherever you go. I've wandered far, lost my way, but now I'm turning to you today. Your love is the light that guides my path. I hold on to your grace till the very last. No matter what comes my way, I'll trust in you come what may. Your love is my anchor, my guiding star. I'll follow you forever, near or far. I'm reaching out, Lord, to you, seeking your love pure and true. Guide my steps, light my way.